The araw that I saw you, I couldn't make paniwala my eyes. A mahirap and rugged palengkera, pero an angel in disguise. I couldn't help my sarili, so quickly nalapitan na kita. All impyerno broke loose in my heart when you made savage. Sino ka?
Oh my gosh, yung
Of course, I
Sonia.
made pakilala while swinging the susi of my car. I know I'm the most guapong guy you've had ever seen by far. So right then and there, to a date, I made aya na kita. Your bosses like music. When you respond, hala, kuya, adik. I know you were making pakipot when you make talikod and walk away. And I know you'll make balik to my uber macho arms someday. Sana lang, when that happens, I like pa rin kita. Sa dami kasi choices, falling in line pa nga sila.
Pero ako lang yung natawa.
Natapos mo ba? Natapos mo ba, Fritz?
Oh. Ang cute niya.
End na yun? End na yun?
Wow. Ang ganda.